All right, here's the Odyssey, fresh rebuild. We have brand new tires, front tires with tubes. Back tires still holding air and looking pretty good. All new throttle cable and brake cable. Original exhaust, replacing hardware. Clutch has been rebuilt. The primary clutch that's actually mounted the engine's got new springs. Engine's been rebuilt with Weisco piston, bored 20 over. Everything powder coated and looking pretty good there. Carb's been rebuilt. Points were converted to CDI, square style pump. Everything's crimped. Everything works like it should. I still got to hook up the headlight. I have the harness for it. I just don't have it because I don't ever use it. Original fenders. Pretty good machine. Brand new brakes. The first start of the day, if it hasn't been started in a while, you shoot a little ether in here because these lines will go dry. It's just the design. That's why a lot of people put fuel cans or gas tanks above so it gravity feeds. But you do a couple shots of ether after it has been started, and after that it's a one pull. Make sure it's on.